In this video, you'll learn the difference between how inline and block level elements display in CSS. In this example, we have 3 span tags and 3 div tags. On the right, we have what the user would see in the browser. Now, the 3 span tags, even though they're lined up vertically, the words "I'm in line" appear all in one line, and the reason is because span tags are inline elements, and inline elements by default never add a new line after the closing tag. The div elements are block level elements. Block level elements always add a new line after the element, and that's the reason why even if we were to line up the markup like this, the I'm block text still, each one of them has a new line after it, because this is only the way the markup is arranged. The bottom line is every closing div tag creates a new line. So inline elements never create a new line. Block level elements always create a new line. Now we can reverse this behavior simply by using CSS. So in this example, you could see that we have the same span and div tags, but in the CSS, we've made a change. So for the span tag, we've said display block. So the span tags are all now block level elements. So even though they're spans, and they normally would line up in line, saying display block makes them display as block level elements. And in the divs, we're saying display in line. So what that does is it forces them to display in line, and that's the reason why you see the words I'm block, I'm block, I'm block all in one line. Now if I remove this CSS and re-render the page, you can see that it's back to the way we had it before. The inline divs, the inline spans behave exactly as we expect, and the block level elements, which are the divs, behave as we expect. But all we need to do is add this CSS, and we can reverse that behavior. We can tell the spans, which are inline elements, to behave as block level elements, and we can tell the block level elements to display as inline elements. These default behaviors can be reversed using CSS. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button right under the video. You can also take a look at my blog, where there are many articles and tutorials about web development. Thanks very much for watching.